Okay guys, over you all. I'll be fine, doing very awesome trading. Front of you, this is a new update spike system, which is working on Boomin Cross Index. So you will learn on deriv.com. Click here, front of you, the Boom 1000. And now trade is open. We are waiting for the spike. And the stop loss will be 3 candles. Put your eyes on this trade. And keep counting the candles, which is moving mint by mint. And the second thing I want to tell you guys, always the stop loss will be 3 candles, and the big solid yellow arrow is for long-term trade, and the empty yellow arrow is for only spike trade. And once the arrow appears, you just need to analyze the market. What type of arrow is this? If the spike arrow, it means that you will open trade for the stop loss 3 candle and go for spike. And if there is a solid arrow, this means this is a long-term trade. You may hold this trade till it reach to the arrow, or may you set your stop loss the previous high and low areas. So the trade is open in front of you guys. Enjoy the music and wait for a spike. And once the spike appeared, count the candles. All things are live. You guys can see and judge what is this and how it's work. Thank you. And here is the spike. For more, read the text and count the candles. You can see the accuracy of system. This is what I was talking about. The video length is going long. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, check the Telegram. The link in description. Chat with team. They will help you.